delayed drilling is a really important part of grassweed management. And this is one of the reasons why the more you can delay, the more seed you get that's coming from depth, and you can then spray that off before drilling the crop. But also once you are drilling, understanding how to approach your residual herbicide strategy in order to get the best control is something that this can help to inform. Another factor which affects the duration of that blackgrass flush is dormancy of the freshly shed seed. We've tested the dormancy of the seed at Barton each year, and we have had seasons where it's varied greatly. So we know that if we have a warm and dry period during the time that blackgrass is setting seed, that will then have potentially low dormancy in the following season. Whereas if we have cool and wet conditions, maybe like this year, for instance, we're much more likely to have high dormancy blackgrass seed. And that's something that we need to think about going into the autumn. So some of our trials have shown the benefit of a sequenced approach where we have a high dormancy situation. So in each case, we have seen a benefit from that sequence because it's additional chemistry that we've applied, but that sequenced approach has had a much bigger impact, so 27% versus 22% in a high dormancy year versus a low dormancy year. So that's an extra 5%. So the benefit of the sequence is greater where we have a longer duration of the flush of blackgrass coming through.